Hi everyone, let's solve an easiest question ever. 9 to the power of x equals to 18. So what do you think the answer is? Let's check it out. So first of all, what we are going to do is apply log on both sides. So we get log 9 to the power of x equals to log 18. And then we have x log 9 is equal to log 18. Divide both sides by log 9. So we have log 9 gets cancelled. So we are left with x is equal to log 18 over log 9. Then what do we have? Log 18 can be written as x is equal to log 9 times 2. And this is over log 9. So we have x is equal to log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. Let's separate them. So we have x is equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. So log 9 over log 9 gets cancelled, and that's equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 9. Log 2 over log 9 is log 3 squared. Now we have x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 3. So let's write down the values. X is equal to 1 plus log 2 is 0.301 divided by 2 times log 3 is 0.4771. That will be equal to 1 plus 0.301 divided by 2 multiplied by 0.4771 is 0.9542. And when we simplify, we get 1 plus 0.301 divided by 0.9542 is 1 plus 0.3154. And that's equal to 1 plus something is 1.3154. That's your answer.